Alright, so today I'm going to be removing toolbox, all the stuff on the floor. Got my 32-inch cabinet right here, and all this crap. So tomorrow the floors come in. I'm going to come in, sand everything, fix that crack that I have over here. Sorry about the mess. There's a little crack right here. There he goes. So I'm going to clean it up, fill it in. So I'm just going to take all the tools out. I'm going to have the floors done. Then I'm going to build more cabinets. As you already see, I have these prior, and I had this little guy finished with LEDs in the background, which is pretty cool, you know. Lights up down here too. But yeah, I'm super excited. And then we're gonna have the water heater done also. As soon as I get the floors nice and cured, I'm gonna get the hybrid, put it in. I have to do some repairs behind this wall. Had some leaks. Had an old pipe that was leaking for many years. And that's pretty much it. I'm super excited. We got the rust spots over there, all that stuff. They're gonna grind everything away. So I gotta find a place for all this stuff. So, but you can also check out the other videos. Simple little video I made on installing the split unit on the wall. I've done the lights. I never recorded that, but I'm gonna redo these support also. It's gonna be an interesting little setup. I did the garage door openers on both sides, and that's pretty much it for now. I think that hopefully tomorrow, finish it in 2 days. They told me it definitely wasn't worth going to Home Depot and doing the Rust-Oleum setup with the bad reviews that it has. So I decided going with some better quality epoxy. They give me 5-year warranty. I mean, they're gonna get scratched anyway. I mean, I'm always throwing stuff on the floor. I'll take care of it, but there's always something's gonna fall, a tool, a bike, or something like that. So we'll see. We'll take it from there. But hopefully, I'll be happy with the results, and the garage will be almost finished. I'll try to record everything. If you have any questions, let me know. Any thoughts? All right. The time has come. Woo. Alright, everything's ready to rock and roll. Ready for the first coat of epoxy. Fixing the cracks. You guys are here. Epoxy 1. Guys, a great price. Great work. We've been here since 12:30. Doing the floors. These things were in bad shape. Very uneven. The crack section was really high. Alright guys, here we go. Final product. Absolutely stoked with the way this thing came out. I've been waiting 2.5 years to do it. I am super, super happy. It's shiny. The way I wanted it. It absolutely feels and looks super. Just bought the last cabinet. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, even though today I could even park a car here if I wanted to. But since we did it thick, or the guys did it thick, I don't want to put nothing heavy and then it'll put a dent in it. So I'm super tired. Was working in the trails at Amelia Earhart all morning. We built 4 features. We are exhausted. So super, super happy. It's got the blue, black, gray, and the white. With a nice thick clear epoxy on it. So I'll have my workbench here, 2 boxes under. I'll be putting the compressor there too. And cabinets. I'll lay them out, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. Oh, here we go.